Luke here with Van Cafe. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to clean out your Propex heater. What you're going to need is a vacuum, compressed air, and a partner, depending on where your air intake and your exhaust pipe are on your unit. As we can see here, we have a pretty typical setup with the exhaust and the intake on the outside of a frame rail. With the vacuum, what you're going to want to do is first put the vacuum over the exhaust pipe and the compressed air on the intake pipe. With the vacuum on and the compressed air going, we're going to hold it there for about 10 seconds. Then, alternate them for another 10 seconds. I like to do this process 2 or 3 times depending on how dirty the inside of the unit is. So now I'm going to demonstrate it. With the vacuum on, and the compressed air going. Now that you've completed the clean out, most of the debris inside the unit should be gone. Since you already have your vacuum, your compressed air, and your partner around, I'm going to show you how to do a quick clean out inside the unit. Now that we're inside the unit, what we're going to want to do is take off the access panel where your circuit board, power loom, and thermostat loom are. First, we're going to want to disconnect the 12-volt power, and then the thermostat control harness. This just gives us easier access to the circuit board. Now this heater is brand new, so it's very clean, but oftentimes we'll see dust, pet hair, or other objects that are getting sucked in from the cabin. So with a vacuum, first you're going to want to lightly vacuum just anything that may be on the circuit board. Next, what you're going to want to do is get your compressed air. We're going to want to lightly hold the fan with our finger just so it doesn't spin when we're using the compressed air. Please be very careful. Do not bend this fan in, out, up, down, left, right. We just want to hold it so it's not going to spin with the compressed air. Next, what you want to do is have your partner hold the vacuum on the hot air out port. With the vacuum on, we're going to run compressed air. Please make sure not to bend the fan blade. This will make it out of alignment and cause the motor to fail. What we're looking for is just a light hold with the finger, just so it doesn't spin. Next, you're going to have the vacuum held right around the fan, and we're going to blow compressed air through the hot air out. Please be very careful with the fan blade to not push pressure on it, because it'll make it out of alignment. If you have any questions, you can email us at support@vancafe.com. We also have a full knowledge base on our website, vancafe.com. Thanks.